In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Valorant without a graphics card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Now, of course, just like any other game available on PC, Valorant is a graphically intensive game. It is recommended that you use a dedicated graphics card when playing Valorant, but there is nothing stopping you from just booting up the game even if you don't have a dedicated graphics card. So, if your computer has an iGPU, which is an integrated graphics unit that meets the minimum requirement, you will be able to run it without any issues. And if your CPU is able to carry the game by itself, you will most likely have an okay experience, even at resolutions like 1080p. So there's no secret to this. The best course of action is to visit playvalorant.com, choose the option to play for free, and download it for PC. The best way to know if your specific hardware is able to run it is to just download the game and give it a spin. Every single PC is different, so there's no way to know for sure until you try it out and see how it fares. If you notice that performance is not good, you can try lowering graphical settings, so set everything to low, lower the resolution, close down any open applications on the background, and you can even go over to the task manager to double check all of the processes and everything that is running on the background of your PC. The last thing that you can do is right click the Windows icon, go to Device Manager, and inside of the Device Manager, you can find the option to update your display adapters. So if you go into display adapters and you have integrated graphics card here, just right click, update the driver to make sure that everything is running smoothly. Like I said before, the game will not stop you from booting it up. Unless your PC or laptop is extremely old, you will be able to try it out and see how it runs. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Valorant without graphics card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.